Every morning, I wake up to a symphony of sounds that no alarm clock could ever replicate. The roosters start their crowing before dawn, like nature's own wake-up call, reminding me that the day is just beginning. Then there are the cows, mooing with their own sense of urgency, as if they're saying, "Get moving, it's breakfast time." And let's not forget the tractors. Oh, those tractors. They have a personality of their own. Some days, they roar to life with ease, while other days, they stubbornly refuse to start, testing my patience before I can even think about breakfast myself. Farming isn't just a job. It's a lifestyle filled with early mornings and hard work. But there's something magical about watching the sun rise over the fields, knowing that every sound around me is a reminder of a life I've chosen. It's chaotic, it's loud, and it's absolutely rewarding. Please subscribe for more.